Hi guys! Today we have an unboxing video. Snack Pack SnackCrate sent me a box to review all of the snacks that were in it. I had 3 choices to pick from. I think the choices were France, Japan, and the Philippines. And I picked the Philippines. So I know a little bit about their food, not a lot. Especially not their snacks. So let's see what's in it. It's kind of heavy. Must be a lot. Once we open it, this is what you're gonna see. Oh, something fell out. Oh, no. Losing stuff. Oh. There's paper. Well, that's kind of cool. Tear back the paper. And there's a whole bunch of stuff. Different snacks from Thailand. So, let's see what I dropped. Oh, the Philippines. Oh, this is the book. So, the Philippines. I said Thailand. I apologize. I think this tells you about each one and what it is. Fun facts. So I'll keep this aside because some of the stuff I don't know their writing, know their language, so that way I know in English how to pronounce it to you. So let's go with this one. Purple. It says pillows. Pillows. They're Yubi cakes. These sweet cakes made from purple yams have a rich nutty flavor. They are very popular for holiday celebrations. Yams. I like sweet yams though. Let's try it. Smell funny. Smell like dog biscuits. Oh, they smell like Captain Crunch. Ooh. That's not bad. But that's pretty good. That's kind of a Captain Crunch taste to it. And then the inside is like a film. That's pretty good though. Yeah. I brought my own drink. That way I can wash my mouth. Alright, next. Ding Dong Snack Mix. Ding Dong Snack Mix. The savory mix of peanuts, corn bites, green peas, corn chips, and curls. From looking at the package, it kind of reminds me of corn nuts. Like right there, see a corn nut? So So that's my guess what they're gonna taste like. We'll see. See what they look like. Okay, peanuts kind of, these ones kind of have a, like the candy shell on them. That's pretty good. See the peas. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, that's pretty good. Mm-hmm. So we have a bowl. A little dry. Next. Ooh. Okay. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the second word. But they're garlic flavored. And they look like corn nuts again. And they say a corn snack shaped into crunchy little balls available in a variety of flavors. Seriously addictive. Let's see. This one says tear here. Oh, I always said that. Kind of smells spicy. Yeah, it smells a little spicy. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks just like cornet. Mm-hmm. Texture of a cornet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's good. Oh my god. Okay, that's the best so far. Wow. Mmm. Yeah. Oh, we got drinks too. Okay, I have had these, I think, because they're kind of just like the ones I get at Costco. Dried mangoes. But, you know, the package at Costco doesn't say that, I don't think.
Yeah, it does.
So let's see what it says here. These deliciously sweet dried mangoes are the perfect snack to share with friends or keep for yourself. Hold on. I like mangoes. Mangoes are good. Alright, see what they look like. It's like stuff I get from Costco. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. These could be addictive too. Uh-huh. Those are good. There's a lot in this box. Wow. Good thing I didn't eat much for dinner. Okay, see, this is what I was worried about. So, I had my gallbladder taken out, and ever since then, I I have really bad acid reflux and trouble with hot and spicy stuff. So, I'm still gonna try them for you guys, but yeah. So this is called crispy, flavored chili and cheese corn chips. They kind of look like Fritos, is what I can tell in the package. Let's see, what does it say? Well, that one's the barbecue one. Another page. Well, on here it says barbecue. Maybe they gave me the wrong one. Well, on here it says it's supposed to be a barbecue crispy. Oh no, there's more. Wait.
It's chippy.
Chippy?
Yeah.
Oh, chippy. Yeah, it was supposed to be a barbecue is what we were supposed to get. Corn chip with ridiculously flavorful. You can't stop eating them. I would have rather barbecue. I'll try two. Yeah, see, they just look just like Fritos. They don't taste like Fritos. Mm-mm. Those are not corn. It says corn. They don't taste like corn. Mm-mm. And they're not spicy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't like them. Well, I guess they're okay. Not my favorite. Alright. Next up. It's a cake. UB cake. It's a big, huge cake. These sweet cakes made from purple. They're the same yams. It's the same as the little tiny ones. Oh, this is the stuff that, like, what was the other ones was filled with. Wow. Well, we'll still try it. Because those ones were okay. That way we can see what it's like. It's nice and soft. Yeah. It's more gushy. Purple inside. My friend Dean would like that. I don't like that. Those were good. That one? Mm-mm. 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 No. Oh, I know what these are. Let's see if I can find them. They don't have everything on here. Oh, it has mini pretzels. It's probably the same thing. Crispy bite-sized pretzels with rich chocolate. They kind of remind me of Pocky. Isn't that how you pronounce it? Pocky? We'll see. We'll see if they're just like Pocky. They are. They're just like Pocky. I like Pocky. Oh, no, they're not. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, pardon me. Excuse me. How rude. Let's see if we can get one out. That's what they look like. I'll break it in half so you guys can see the inside. Come on, zoom in. Kind of dry. Different kind of flavoring of pretzel that I'm used to. Basically Pocky though. Right. Let's try one of the drinks. We still got a shitload more left. Alright, see, they don't tell you about any of the drinks in here. Let me make sure. Oh, it says one drink. One of the drinks should be... Nope, that's not it. It's the other one. I should only got one drink and I got two. Score. So, it's called Gina Mango Nectar. I like mango. So I'll try it. Do I need to shake it? Let me see. Maybe a little bit. Sometimes, the settlement. Should probably had a glass so they could see it. Ooh, I don't like the smell of it. That's okay. I mean, it's not something I'd pick off the shelf and drink every day. Yeah. No. It does smell funny. So, I don't want to... These are called crackers, but I won't try to pronounce your guys' wording for them, because that'd be awful, and I don't want to insult you. So it's chocolate flavored. Then I'll show everybody. And I don't see on here this at all. Yeah. This is not on here. Nope. So I must have got a whole bunch of different stuff, because it was a tri-kit, review, than what you guys are going to get. I was expecting, when I opened it, for it to be like a cracker, chocolate cracker. But no. It's 3 crackers with chocolate in between. That's really hard. Okay, that's gross. I think that's been the worst thing in the box. Ugh.
Saltines and frosting.
Yeah.
Without salt.
Remember when, some of you might, when your grandmother and your mom did graham crackers, they put the frosting on it? Well, this is with saltines and no salt. Oh. Okay, we got a few more to go. Let's keep going. Oh, I don't know. Here we go. So this has a picture. Looks exactly same as those.
It is.
But it has a condensed milk. Do I have to try them?
Don't do it. Don't do it. It's going to be the same thing.
I have to try it because I'm reviewing the box.
It looks like there's another one in there too.
Actually, these smell a lot better. Mm-mm. Oh my god, that's like powdered milk in your mouth.
It smells
Like, seriously. That was awful. So did I even show him a picture of it? I don't know. Okay, these are just crackers. There's no flavorings in them. These are just crackers. Oh, and this one has a description. Crispy cracker that come in a variety of flavors, similar in texture to saltine crackers. Well, these have salt on them. I can see it. They look so dry, though. Okay. This is way better than those. Look, I even took a second bite. Well, see, I would eat those before the others.
same thing.
They're still really dry. Alright. Let's do our second drink. I'm kind of scared about it. Because it looks like it's limes. And it's on here. And I'm not going to murder the name. I'm not going to try. I'll just read what it says about it. This refreshing beverage is made with tart. Well, there goes that word. Calamansi. Calamansi.
It's a lime.
A Philippine citrus fruit used in many Filipino delicacies. Well, to me, it looks like a lime. There's the can. All the nutrient facts. So let's go. I'm probably not going to like it. I'm letting you know now. Ooh. It smells like... smells good, though. It smells really good. Ooh. That's pretty tart. Yeah, that's really tart. Wow. Alrighty. We got some other stuff. Let's see. This doesn't even have none of this stuff on here. Unless... This might be the cocoa nut. This is coconut milk, peanut milk, chocolate, and candy.
That's those things, those Mexican candies that you...
That's what I was thinking of those. It's like those Rosa candies. It's in an orange wrapper. Oh, yep. Knew it was gonna happen. Mm-mm. I think there's stuff in it. Mm-mm. That's nothing like those. Mm-mm. I like those rose candies. Mm-mm.
Crispy.
Oh, here's the choco nuts.
Yeah.
That
Crispy,
backwards.
crunchy sawdust.
Chocolate nuts. There's two in here, it feels like. With a whole bunch of these in the bottom. This is just like that, only it's chocolate. Different. Okay. XO coffee candy. Get your caffeine buzz on the run with these uh, uh, aromatic sweet coffee flavored candies. Open it. It looks like this. Just a hard candy. A whole bunch. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, yeah. That's good stuff in my mouth. Folgers in your mouth. That's what it reminds me of. Coffee beans. Just straight in your mouth. Arr. Okay, one more. I don't know what it is. What haven't we had? I bet you it's this. I bet you this is a chocolate Bavarian sweet bite-sized shortbread cakes made with toasted flour mixed with a variety of flavors, then coated in chocolate. But I don't know. It's a mystery package. Oh, I didn't get no pond crackers. No shrimp crackers. Did they fall on the floor? You see any shrimp crackers? What's that?
Stickers.
Well, they did give me stickers, though. No, I was supposed to have egg cracklets. That was awful. I didn't get those. Sunflower crackers. Glad I didn't get those. Cheese rings. What?
You probably don't get everything in there. It's probably a mix.
What? Let's try it. Well, I didn't order it either. So I will also put the link to how to get these guys. And if you could share this video, that would be totally, totally awesome. Let everybody know what you guys thought about it in the comments section.
Because you got the mini box.
I think I got something else. Oh, look. Look at that. That looks kind of good. I like chocolate. Double-sided. How many you have? I'll probably regret that. Yep, I regret it. So that's it. That's it for the box. So, again, that's SnackCrate.com. I'll post them down below. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you again later. Bye. Good night.